Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add variety effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, in here you can add the video that you want to edit. And now if you wanna add a variety effect on this video, so you just click on the all effect at the bottom, click on it, and then in here you just click on the line, this one, click on it, and in here you can see variety effect, so you just click on it, and in here you can see variety effect that you want to add. In here you can see 1 until 13 effect, so you can use the variety that you want. This is the variety 1, this is the variety 2, and this is the variety 7. You can choose the variety that you want. In here I wanna use a variety 2, so you just click on the 2, and then after this, in here you can click on done, and finish. So that's how to add a variety effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.